Welcome to BMRPkids channel.
Today we are cooking fish curry. Ingredients: we are adding onions, green chilies. We need to add ginger garlic paste. Add a pinch of turmeric. Add chili powder. Add oil. Add salt as per your taste. Now mix this. Now mix them again. The masala should mix very well into the fish pieces. Let the fish pieces settle into the masala. Add some water. Now mix them again. After mixing, keep it on stove, let it cook till the fish is well cooked. We will see after some time. Like this, the fish is being cooked. Add some coriander while the fish is being cooked. This is my grandma's recipe. Try this. Keep lid and wait for some more time. Now remove the lid. Our fish curry is ready. Enjoy the fish curry. Bye bye.